No, it's just a short, quick tickle.
Oh, a short tickle, yeah. Like that.
Tommy!
You said stay over there. That's what you told me to do.
No. I don't like licking. But I had to try it. I have to test myself.
Hi guys, we're doing a shout out here. This is a shout out to Makara.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. Kumain lang kami ni Tami dito sa labas. Nakalimutan kong dalhin ito. Yeah. Nahiligan na namin ni Tami mag-breakfast sa labas. Natawa si Tami at saka si Binanan sa akin kasi every time I open the sliding door and then I have something on my hand like that and then I use my foot. Very Filipino. We always use foot to pick up something, to close the thing. Sakada is very loud, guys. Look, ganda ng panahon. Magsha-shout ako maaga, guys, ha. And Tammy later on, may shout out din siya. Baka yung shout out na yun bukas na. If film namin yan later on, when he's ready. And then maybe I will, who knows, maybe later with this video, maybe. Hindi natin alam, baka bukas. Hi sa kay Rosalinda Arnaldo. Hello po. From ano daw siya? From San Diego, California. At saka galing daw, originally daw siya from Iligan City. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Pasensya na sis, late ha. Kasi hindi ako nag-shoutout palagi. Kung makapag-shoutout ako, yung nasa-shoutout ko is yung unang nagpapa-shoutout. And then next na naman, and then hintay tayo mga few vlogs. Belinda Manalo, hi sis, thank you for watching sis. And shout out kay Mila Flor Portelis at si Hermin Conquelia. And also shout out to Adam Sabre, hello. Sobrang aga ng shout out natin, diba? Si Yuli Nukom at saka si Yonora Baloy, hello po. Ay, si Melinda daw from USA. Hi to Maya Lianera Kabagnan, hello po. Thank you so much from Antipolo daw shop. At sa family Havilosa from Antipolo. Hello po. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, meron tayong cucumber guys. Look. Hala, dalawa guys. Dalawa. Look kayo to cucumbers. 1, 2. I'm going to harvest this later for you. It's big. It's the normal size. The small one. No, it's gonna go bad if I don't pick it up. Really? Yeah. It's already grown like the normal thing. You and I never die. What? The love I feel inside. And all we need to say and feel that I have always walked alone. Know that you're here with me. You'll always be. Ano ko ba? Naalala ko yesterday when I was driving with Tammy. And then I look at the mirror. Yung mirror ba sa ibabaw ng sasakyan sa ulo. When I look at like this, guys, may nag-comment, tama kayo, kapag you color your hair talaga na black, and then may gray hair ka na, as in very obvious na when it grow. It grow really fast. My God, ang dami na dito, oh. Klarong-klaro talaga siya, guys, dahil sa black color ng buhok ko. Klaro yung puti. Hala, uy, tama yung may nag-comment isa na, you know, kapag may gray hair, wag mo i-color ng black. Something like that. So, ngayon, totoo talaga, guys, may klaro talaga yung gray hair ko. Armpits natin dyan. Okay lang ba yung armpits natin? Hindi naman yan itim. Hindi naman yan itim. Lagim lang, lagim. Anyway, so yun guys, tapos na tayo nag-ready. So, naghihintay lang pala ako, guys, kasi ano ako ng video, nagtawag nito. Nag-upload ng video kasi meron akong ini-edit. Hala, you're here. What are you doing? Kunin ko lang yung you change. Are you ready? But I'm gonna Ang dami kasi. I have to, this is my winter coat. I have to wash this. Like, I can't believe I did this to my car. What is that, Tommy? Oh, is that what you said? Oh, grabe. Mga papilo. Oh, God, ang init. Dito lang ito kasi kay biyanan yan. Hindi ko akalain na ganito yung sasakyan ko. I usually very clean sa sasakyan ko. Pero, this time, na-file talaga siya. Marami yung kanina yung ito, oh. Oh my God. Wala na kami masyadong magawa, kundi punta doon, punta dito. Punta natin si Bia North. Kahapon guys, nanonood kami ni Tami ng Datok. Sobrang sad yung news. Yung ama, yung story is, yung may dalawa siyang anak, yung lalaki, twin, nilagay niya sa box set. And then para before siya magtrabaho, punta siya before siya magtrabaho, ilagay niya yung bata, i-draft off niya sa daycare. Kasi mga daycare dito, kahit bata pa, diba? Twin, maliit pa guys. So, akala ng ama na draft off na niya sa daycare center. Nakalimutan niya guys. So, he get out from his car and then forget the kids. And that was, it's a hot day. It's like, it's lately. So, yung dalang bata, the twins died. So, yun. Namatay yung bata and hindi inakala ng ama for the whole time na nagtatrabaho siya. Akala niya yung bata is na-draft niya sa... Did you hear that story? That story about... It was devastating, guys. Yeah. So, nakalimutan niya. He forgot that the twins are still in the backseat. And I'm still... Yeah, he probably forget. But if you live in your car, you intend to look... I intend to look in my backseat.
No, you don't. You generally don't, man. And if you're in a rush to go to work and you're running late, I feel really bad because I know he's gonna live with this forever.
He will live it forever, right?
Of course, huh?
Thinking that he killed his twins.
Yeah. I don't, was it on purpose? No. It's a horrible thing.
Yeah.
It's a horrible thing that happened to them. And more horrible to happen to him because he has to live with it forever.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's a sad, really news. I'll see you later.
When you put it in
The spicy chicken.
there's a thing of sauce to go with it.
So, I don't need sauce.
Like ranch sauce. Well,
I'm waiting here that our mother will take her meds. Or
Yeah.
else I will tickle her until she's like...
you may have to do.
Do you want me to tickle you?
Yeah. Like I wish you would not breathe.
No, it's just a short, quick tickle.
Oh, a short tickle. Yeah. Like that.
She said you gotta take your pills. She's gonna have to do that.
Well, then she won't have to because it's heavy.
Itong microwave nila, no, ang ingay talaga pag makaano. Nandito na kami, guys, kanina lang. Ang ingay ng microwave nila kapag may microwave ka. Hindi. Spicy burger. Oh my God, ang init, guys. Itong pusang to, mahilig talaga dito. Hello, come here! Come here! Come back here! Gusto niya dito. Buti na lang, siya. Binigyan ni Tami ng maginaw na tubig. Hi, Freddy! Ush, ang init, baby. Wow, ang init, right? Ang init. Si Tami na yung nagda-drive, guys. Kasi may pupuntahan daw siya. Punta naman daw siya Home Depot daw. Another shopping.
Shopping because if I got in the tube like I wanted to, we wouldn't have to stop it again. So my wife said, "That's never gonna work. It's not gonna work. He's just wasting money. Never gonna do that." And she says, "Oh, see, I told you that would work."
Look at, did you hear that mouth, guys? His mouth is yapping over and over.
Yeah. You don't hear her mouth when I'm buying it. Oh, you're just wasting money. That's not gonna work. It won't fit. I'm telling you, watch. It won't fit.
Because you like to waste something. Money.
And then it fits. She goes, "See, I told you it would fit. You should have got both of them."
You're right. I didn't see that.
You did. You did because I had two. You said, "No, put one back. It's not gonna work." I'm telling you, it's not gonna work.
Because if it doesn't fit, your fault. If it's fit, it's good to me. Good for me. temperature sa labas, it's 102-degree temperature. It's right here, oh, it's 102-degree.
You show them the camera.
It's 101 now, I don't know why. Stay in your lane, Tommy. My God, you cannot stay in your lane. Your brain is kind of like...
All the time when we are.
Yeah, are you kidding me? No.
You.
Like, he cannot stay in his lane, guys.
I'm reading the one with your phone sign because that's
His,
where the other one was.
his brain is like this, so kind of heavy in the other side. Left side. Light in the right side.
Here's the deal. See, that's my joke. If my wife had half a brain, she'd walk around like this because of weight on one side of her head.
You know what, honey? Whatever. Can you just stay more over here? Tommy!
You said stay more over there. That's what you told me to do.
No, I'm not fucking joking, Tommy. You're gonna fucking crash. I'm going to fucking leave you if you're gonna fucking kill me.
You're gonna float away?
Ay, naku lagi. Kalagot, guys. Itong asawa ko. Magkaragalan, makatawa na lang ta, guys. Maglagot na, makatawa na lang ta. Gas diesel, wala.
Tell them about your diesel experience.
Okay, tell them my experience about... Atay, hold on. Wait,
You gonna put diesel in your car?
can you just see something?
What? No, that's for you to tell them.
This place. Dito na kami sa lugar na wala akong alam. Hindi ko alam kung asan kami. Yeah? Ganito yung electric dito, guys. Electric post. Sa Pilipinas, sobrang kalat. Makalat, okay naman dito. Pero sa Pilipinas, sobrang kalat. Ito yung light nila. Ganito, this is the light here. May tower sila doon, something. I don't know. Tower, is that tower? Electric?
That's electric.
Yeah, tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung electric nila dito. I mean, this one is not really kagandahan, pero compare sa Pinas. Yeah. So, yan. Dito tayo magpunta. We've been here once to go to Home Depot, this area. I'm at Home Depot, guys. Andun si Tommy, guys, sa Home Depot. Bumili ng... anong tawag nito? Ng air filter na naman. Kasi yung binili namin isa lang. Ang mag-pick up ata kay Bianan si yung asawa ng kapatid ni Tommy. So yun. Iwan ko na lang. Sobrang init, nakalimutan man. O, yung tao nakatingin lang sa akin. Bahala talaga siya. Hindi ako sumama. Sabi ko, hindi na kita samahan. Kasi mamaya, pagpunta natin dito sa sasakyan, sobrang init. Hindi makaya talaga as in. So, para yung air conditioning is on lang siya palagi. And yeah, on. Oh, and sana walang maraming bilhin si Tommy, as in. Sana wala talaga, guys. Kasi hindi ko na alam, guys. I have to pick one. Yan. Para meron tayong magandang amoy sa sasakyan. Kasi yung amoy natin dito is para ng anik. Yan ko kung saan ko to ilagay. Kunin lahat eh. Another garbage. Ito siya, guys. I think ilagay ko siya ito ata. Ala, sus, ginoo ko tanawa. Hindi ko naman nandun sa nito. Hala, may tumawag. Hindi ko kilala. Ginoo ko. Oh my God. Ito talaga. Ilang yan. Dami kasi hindi na ginagamit ni Tommy. So, yun. Ilagay natin dito. Uy, hala guys. May pala ako dito. Somebody's here. What happened?
They don't have it.
Huh?
They only have the small one.
So we're wasting our time here.
Oh. The other Home Depot hat, this one doesn't.
It's a bridge. That's the bridge that we walk.
I want to walk. I'll let you off and I'll pick you up on the other side.
Okay, every time.
Go home. Have lunch.
No, I don't want it.
Everyone doesn't just go.
Just the cone and the chocolate vanilla.
Then it's cool.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have to.
So we decided to pick up some ice cream thing because it's freaking hot. And we don't do this often. Tommy love sweets. Mom love it. We usually get it from Carvel because Tommy love Carvel. I like Carvel. Everybody loves Carvel, right? So Carvel is good, but we don't have Carvel here. You think it's good over here? Do the same thing,
I
right?
don't know. Find out. I'm sure it's fine.
Andito na kami sa dairy bar. Yeah, para bumili. Andun na si Tami, andito lang ako sa car kasi ayaw kong pumunta doon. As usual, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na ako pupunta kasi kapag babalik ka dito sa car, ang mangyayari, sobrang init. So, magme-melt lang yung ano namin. So, andito ako. Maganda kapag may ano holder dito, oh. Tami's here. I know you should lick it. I don't like licking. But I have to try. I have to test myself. Tommy have the highest one, huh, guys. Right, this one. Look at him. Okay, honey. Okay, you know you're shy.
Then you switch it. Well, she brought me, so it's not right, maybe.
You just told him?
It's just, can you give me the other one in a waffle?
And?
It's really good. Try the monster waffle, so whatever. Just put it in a waffle.
It's good. This is the chocolate and the vanilla one here. He's taller and his cone is melting. I do like this.
What is this stupid? At least I'm not wearing it on my pants.
Huh? What the heck, hon? What do you do? Tommy's crazy. He draping here. Sarap, guys. I don't do this more often because I don't like sweet, but this weather, it's worth it. No dinner for me. Tommy's thing is so shiny around it.
It'll melt quick. It'll be everywhere.
And it's still taller. I use this spoon because they put spoon in here. But I don't really usually use spoon.
I don't know why they put a spoon in there.
I don't know. I'm curious why have a spoon here, but most people sit in the car, enjoy their cone before driving. I saw people over there. Hello. I know. Kita ulit ka. I drove Tommy here because Tommy cannot. Tommy is having problem with his phone.
Sit.
Look at this, guys.
Down.
Look at this. Look at it. Look at her. Look at her. How she wiggle her body like crazy.
Come on, Roxy.
Roxy, look at her.
Come on.
Stupid. Nothing. She's just being like a scooch. Look at her. Loko-loko talaga. Okay, let me see.
Those dogs would love.
Look at her. Look
Yeah,
at
now she wants it. Yeah, now she wants it. Oh, no, don't do that. You're dripping all over the porch.
Come here. Come here, Rox. Let's see if they're gonna do it without us. Oh, she's licking it. Alas, she's eating it. She grab it. She grab it. Look at it. She put it out. She grab it. Look.
Yeah, now the other one's gonna go share the same one.
Ganyan niya. Pati si Roxy. It was ice cream, Pamor. It was.
Don't get used to it. Too much sugar gives you worms.
Yeah. Not good, huh? This is your treat for a year. She bring the cone over there, guys. Look at it. She's eating. She bring the cone. You really are leaving early, hon? I'm sorry, there's nothing for you to bring. Hey.
Okay. Hi guys, we're doing a shout out here. This is a shout out to little girl, Doris Perpetua, Helen Abiertas, Vilma Pukag, Josie Palaya, Babe Marinas from Singapore, Susanna Makaraeg. Oh, sorry, my pronunciation's a little wrong. Edna Bongabong, Dulce Patricio, Tina Almason, and Angel Espina. And this is for you guys. Thanks for watching. She made me laugh all the time. I said I'll put food in the bird feeder and she goes, I do it.
You just look, did you see? There's still a lot of food. Hala?
I'm just going to refill it.
Yeah, there's a lot of food.
I'm going to make sure it's full and you got the light out.
Yeah. And I told him, guys, that I will do it maybe tomorrow.
Guys, she's been telling me that for months and months.
No.
And those birds, they wait for me to pull up. Because they don't have any food for days until I show up.
They're not starving, Tommy.
They wait. Because you never do it, even you say you'll do it. Correct?
Because it's not really
I know, it's
necessary.
not important. It's not important. It's only birds.
It's not necessary because they know where to find food. They can find their own food.
It's only birds, right?
You spend a lot of money for the bird food, you know. Do you know that?
I spend more money on dog food than I spend on people food. Right, guys? And you guys, we throw your food out all the time.
He's leaving, guys.
They get to eat turkey, they get to eat steak, they get to eat roast beef, they get to eat tuna fish, but not regular, any old tuna fish. It's gotta be bumblebee, whatever, the most expensive tuna fish. Because, God forbid, they eat a cheaper tuna fish.
Bumblebee
they're too good for that.
The bumblebee they like because they're expensive.
That's it. They're not asking for steak.
And you buy white sugar for this hummingbird.
Yeah, white sugar, because you're not supposed to make it with the natural sugar, the raw sugar. I don't know why it says don't make it with the raw sugar, so I'm not gonna poison them.
Why you're so hummus?
So hummus?
Why you're so hummus?
I don't know what that means.
He eat too much ice cream. Now we don't feel like, both of us doesn't feel like having dinner. Dada's gonna go bye-bye. Yeah, he's preparing his water.
You started the ice already.
It's ice, yeah, I can see that. Oh, there is another water you put over there, huh? Dada, say bye-bye. Are you gonna say bye-bye to Dada? Are you gonna say bye-bye? Tell her, Han. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Roxy Rox.
Say bye-bye. See, Han.
Bye, Rox. Bye, Rox. Bye, Rox.
She knows you're leaving. Aww. Dodo boy. Come here, mate. Are you gonna say bye-bye to your daddy? Say bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye, Dada. Good evening. It's 9:16. Oh my God. Para akong nagutom konti, guys. Kakain lang ako konti. Kasi later on, for sure, alam ko talaga, mag-on nga tayo ng light is. Yun lang, konti lang, guys. Para lang ano yung tiyan natin. May laman. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, ha. I will see you guys na lang bukas. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.